Hi, it's Chris Matlashewski, and we're doing another edition of It Depends, Stampede edition here during the Calgary Stampede 2017. So we're going to quickly go over three things that I talked about last month in our market. Single family, row house, detached, and condos, and see how they're performing. So in the single family right now, it's the first contestant in the race there. Some quick facts to note. Anything under 500 still performing really strongly, but surprisingly we're starting to see an upward trend of demand in product over 650,000. So our benchmark price is sitting at 510, just a little bit under that. As I mentioned, homes over 650 are starting to see some demand, which is a positive thing in our marketplace. And prices are up half percentage over last month, and just over 1.5% over year to date there. In the second lane, we've got row houses and semi-attached. Some quick facts. Prices are up. Inventory levels are down, but it's still performing 6% year to date. So we still need to see a little bit of momentum happen before the row houses are out of it. Part of the reason why the prices are up, single family, again, just low on the inventory. So that's kind of putting people into the row houses there. Semi-attached, we are starting to see some decent performance out of them. Up till recently, it was a little bit dismal, but prices are up 5% year to date, and they are performing well. The distant third in the lane there is the dog, the condos. So yeah, some quick numbers on those. Inventory levels are on the rise, but a positive note is that sales are up over 7% year to date. Months of supply continue to be over 6.5%. As I mentioned, it is a distant third. So the winners in the month of June and still performing consistently for July. So far, we have in first place single family. The row house and semi-attached is in single, and as I mentioned, the distant third place is condos. Last day of Stampede, so happy stampeding. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. I know I do. And next month we'll probably be addressing the interest rate rises and see where they're at and how they may be affecting performance, if at all that they will. Where it may be affecting would be on the renters that were thinking about entering into the marketplace. Going to continue to put upward pressure on rental prices, which in turn will then probably start to force some of those renters to go in and enter into the single family market. So there may be a bit of delay, but we may get a boost from that in the coming months to come. Enjoy the rest of the weekend.